Hi, little learners. May's pulled up her comfy dog bed to listen to a book with you. It's called Punky Dunk and the Spotted Pup, and it was published in 1912. Punky Dunk on a day in the middle of May looked around like a wise little cat, and he said with surprise, "Can I trust my own eyes? Well, what do you know about that?" For a wagon of blue, with a man in blue too, at the sidewalk was just backing up, and the man brought a crate that was heavy of weight, and inside was a small spotted pup. Now Punky felt hurt as he gazed very pert at the small spotted pup in the box, for the pup was all white, save for spots black as night, on his back and his tails, ears, and socks. Said the cat, "That pup is too young to run or to climb up a tree. The baby won't like that small spotted tyke as well as I know he likes me." Hunky said, "He may run, but he won't be much fun. He may set or may bark or may point." You see, Punky's heart was beginning to smart, and his nose was put clear out of joint. The pup was let out, and he ran all about, so happy was he to be free. Then Punky said, "Meow." The dog said, "Bow wow." And Punky said, "Look out for me." He raised up his hair and tried hard to scare the pup so he would run away. But the pup shook his head, and in dog talk he said, "No, Punky, I've come here to stay." Then Punky, quite rash, at the pup made a dash, but the pup stood his ground very bold. And Punky then stopped so quick that he dropped, and over he rolled. Then the pup with a bark started in for a lark, but Punky thought he meant to fight, and he ran up a tree just as fast as could be, and he stayed there until it was night. Punky Dunk has made up with the small spotted pup, and with baby they play every day. Don't you think, little friends, that this little tale ends in the very best kind of way? The end. Thanks for reading Punky Dunk and the Spotted Pup with us, little learners. We hope we'll see you again soon.